Today we're going to talk about the addition strategy of I can draw a picture. Now, sometimes you will actually draw pictures like you see here, and sometimes, usually in math, we draw circles for our pictures because we're first graders now and we have to add some really big numbers and we don't really have time to be drawing all these elaborate pictures. So usually we draw circles. So let's practice this strategy. Please get out something to write on and something to write with. You could do a whiteboard and a dry erase marker. You could do a piece of paper and a pencil. But something to write on and something to write with. Go ahead and pause the video now while you get your supplies. Okay, if you are ready to go, then we are going to start with some equations. For example, if you have an equation that says 3 plus 4 equals, go ahead and write 3 plus 4 equals on your paper. Notice how I wrote it small up in the corner because I'm going to use the rest of the space to draw. Our strategy today is drawing to solve. So I am going to draw the first number first, 3. Remember, we like to do circles because it's quick. Now, when I do my two numbers, I need to make sure that my circles look different. So I'm going to have my 3 circles be open circles, and then when I put my 4 circles here, I'm going to color those in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me double check that I did everything correctly. This says I need 3 circles to start, 1, 2, 3, and this says I need to add 4 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my picture for my equation. Now all I need to do is count it all up. So count with me while you count your own picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 circles. Let me count that again to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, I got that one right. If you got 7, go ahead and give yourself a star, or you can do a smiley face. And we will go on to the next one. All right, so if you have a dry erase board, then go ahead and erase just like I am. And if you have a piece of paper and pencil, then you can just find a new spot on your paper. Let's do another equation. My next equation is going to be 5 plus 2 equals. So I'm going to start with my first number. This time I'm going to color the 5 in, the first number. And it doesn't matter if you color in the first number or the second number. The main thing is that your two numbers look different. When I look at your paper, I should be able to tell which circles belong to the 5 and which circles belong to the 2. Okay, let me double check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I'm ready to do my 2, and they need to look different. So because I colored in my 5, I'm going to leave my 2 open. 1, 2. Perfect. So now that I have 5, let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now that I have 2, 1, 2, now I'm going to count them all together, or we say in all. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 7 again. Did you get 7 again? If you did, you can either do a star or a smiley face for yourself. Nice job, friends. All right. I am going to erase this, and we're going to do another one. So if you have a dry erase board, now's the time to erase. If you are working on a piece of paper with a pencil, just find a new spot or turn to a new page. Okay, I'm going to write this equation going up and down because I'm going to show you that it doesn't matter. Let's do 8 plus 4. Ooh, it's getting a little bit higher this time. So now this equation is written up and down, and I'm actually going to write my answer down here underneath. So it's the same thing though. The skill is the same. Drawing pictures to solve. So my first number is 8. That's a bigger number, so I'm going to leave these circles open. And I like to do my circles in rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they keep going. We don't want to do big, long rows. 6, 7, 8. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now I'm going to do my 4. And remember, my 4 needs to look different. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me double check all this. Do I have 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Do I have 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Double check that you have 8 and 4 and that they look different. You can tell which circles belong to the 8 and which circles belong to the 4. Now I'm going to count them in all. So I'm going to count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me double count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My answer is 12. And I got that answer by drawing pictures. Give yourself a star or a smiley on your paper if you also got the answer 12. That's it for today, friends. You will have an activity on your page where you can practice drawing to solve. Make sure you draw circles. I can't wait to see it.